Good day, student. My name is Eshla Ngumane. I'm going to teach you integration. What is integration? First thing first, you need to know to define integration. Okay, let's define integration. Integration is a fundamental concept in calculus that involves finding the total or accumulated value of quantity. And its core, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. While differentiation deals with finding rates of change such as speed from position, integration focuses on accumulating quantities like finding distance from speed. And then in real life, integration has a wide range of application: physics, calculating area under the curves and work done by a force or a total distance traveled. And then we also have integration in economics, where we find consumers and producers, suppliers, or a total cost and revenue over time. And then we also have integration in biology, where we're modeling population growth or drugs concentration in bloodstream. And then integration and differentiation are closely connected through the fundamental theorem of calculus, which state that integration and differentiation are inverse proportional. And we also have goals of this lesson. Understand the concept and the mathematical definition of integration. Learn how integration is applied in various real-life scenarios. Explore the relationship between integration and differentiation. Practices solving problems using definite and indefinite integration. Okay, now I'm going to show you the difference between definite and indefinite integration. Sorry. I want to show you the difference between and then we said we have what here? We have definite. We have definite integrals, I mean. And then we also have and then what's going on here? Okay, let me show you the difference between a definite and indefinite integral. First one, this is a definite integral, and then which is integral of x dx. dx. This is the definite integral. And then we also have a indefinite integral. Let me type because I'm going to take time. Let me erase this one. Oh, this thing here is disturbing me. And then you also have indefinite integral. Also have indefinite integral, which is the integral of 2. This is 2 and then this is 0 under the integral, and then x My screen is switching off, one, and then dx. This is the difference between definite integral and indefinite integral. Okay, let me erase this and give examples of this thing. Example of integration. Let me have a clear screen. The first question is integral of x cos 3x dx. This is the first question. We are going to solve this one. Since here we have cos and 3x, right? And then my x is going to be my u. Let's take this x, this one, not this one. Let's take this x, sorry. Let's take this x. It's going to be my u. And then let me say let u be equals to x. And then the derivatives, let's derive this x. The derivative of x always the derivative of x, it's what? It's 1. Always. The derivative of x, it's what? It's 1. Always, you need to know this. And then the derivative of constant, it's what? It's 0. Derivative of 100, it's what? It's 0. And then even here, the derivative of x, always you need to know this, you need to remember this, that the derivative of x, it's 1. Always, you need to know this by heart. And then we also have this one. You see here, we have two variables, which is x, and we also have cos 3x. And then the first one, we said, let u be equals to x, which is this x. And then we derive this u, and then the derivative of x is what? It's 1. And then let's take the other one. The other one, I mean this one. Let me highlight it for you. I mean this one. Let's take this one. Okay, we'll say, let's make it dv. Let this one be equals to v. Let dv equals to cos cos 3x and then we need to derivate this cos. We need to derivate this equation, and then the derivative, what did I say here? Oh, this is dv, and then the derivative of this one is gonna be what? V is equals to, you go back to your trigonometry, you need to remember the identities. We know that cos is what? It's x. It's going to be sine. Sorry, you know that cos, it will change to what? To sine. and then this one will be money sine 3x. This one sine 3x divide by what? Divide by 3, right? And then we need to solve this equation, and we have a what? We have a formula to solve this equation, which is integral of u dv minus integral. This is s. So I need to erase this one because I'm not writing. The integral. This is not x, it's integration. The integral. Sorry. V. The integral of v, which is this v nep, du. This is my formula to calculate this thing. We first do what? You first do what? This one just disturbing me. Sorry. We are going to substitute this thing. We are going to substitute our u here. Where there is u, I'm going to put u. Where there's dv, I'm going to put dv. I hope it makes sense. I think it makes sense. So we have, okay, since we are going to substitute this thing here where there is su here, we are going to take what? We are going to take this one. This is not s, this is derivative. We are going to take this u to sub sorry. We are going to take this u to substitute it here. Then we also have dv here. We are going to substitute it here. We also have v, which is this one. We will substitute it here. And then we also have du here, which is this one. We're going to substitute it here. Okay, let's substitute. I hope you are taking notes because this whiteboard is giving me problem. We are substituting now. We said where there is u, we are going to have equals to, right? Equals to x sine 3x divide by divide by 3 minus integral of sine. Okay, integral of sine integral of sine integral of sine sine 3x all over 3, and then we are solving. This is equals to sine 3x sine sine 3x divided by 3 minus 1 over 3 integral of sine integral of sine 3x dx x 3x dx. X. Okay. X. Sorry, I was charging my laptop. 3x dx. X dx, sorry, this is and then it's going to give us x sine 3x sine 3x divide by this 3, this 3, this one, then minus minus this one, 1 over 3, 1 over, this one is so small, 1 over 3 integral of sine x3 sine 3x sine 3x dx dx. Okay, and then we continue. We are still solving, we're not done. Then this one is going to give us equals to x sine 3x sine 3x this is too small. I want to erase here. This is too small. This is 2x. This is gonna be 1 sine 3x, sorry. Sine 3x divide by 3 minus 1 over 3, open this bracket, the big one, minus you open this big bracket, then minus cos 3x divide by 3. This is not straight. Sorry to take time. I'm not used to this whiteboard. This one is going to be minus cos 3x divide by 3. Then we close bracket here, close this bracket, plus c. You know that any equation ya integration, logo, if that equation does not end with C, it's not integration, meaning there's somewhere where your answer is wrong. Then we continue, is equals to, this is our final answer. It's going to be x sine sine 3x divide by 3 plus 1 over 9. This is 9. 1 over 9 cos 3x cos 3x cos 3x plus c. This is c plus c. Okay, then let's go to our second example. Let's take our second example. This is number 2. Going to be my number 2. Okay, and then question. It says integral of cosec open bracket 2x this is x, this is x, 2x minus 1 close bracket times cot open bracket 2x yeah. Open bracket 2x minus 1 close bracket dx. And then what do you see here? We have two equation, which is cosec 2x minus 1, and then you also have cot 2x minus 1 dx, right? And then we are going to make this one, we are going to take this one, we need to derive this one, and then we will say we'll take this one as u, we'll take this one as what? As v. Okay, let's take this one as u. Then I will say, I'm going to say, I mean, let u be equals to 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Okay, and then I need to derive this one, derivative of this u du is equals to derivative of this one. We said derivative of 2 is going to be 2. Derivative of 2x is going to be 2. It's going to be what? 2 dx, right? I hope we are still together. And then I'm also going to, we know that a constant, derivative of constant is what? It's 0. And then we are going to have dx. Dx is this one. It's this one. The x, oh God. Derivative of this one is this one. And then let's go and substitute. What's going on here? Okay, let's go and solve. I mean, we are going to have the integral of cosec u. This is my formula. I have flu, excuse. And then now, and cot u. Which was going to be equals to is This is this flu is going to be why is this thing like this now? Oh, it's equals half integral of cosec u plus c. And then this thing sometimes it's giving me problems. This is my final answer. Is equals to negative half cosec two x minus 1 close bracket plus c hibana plus c. Let's go to our third example. Okay. This is our third example. Where is the question? Where is the question? And then we are going to have the integral. The integral of 2 sine x cos skis. This is the wrong equation. Sine 2x divided by 2 cos squared squared x plus 3 dx. Okay, integral of 2x, 2 sine x, 2 sine x cos squared is what? Cos x squared cos squared x divided by 2 cos 2x plus 3 dx. From our identities, we'll mark all this thing, and then let's say let u equals to 2 cos 2 cos 2x plus 3 my u come from this one, this equation, this one, the numerator one, it's my u. Then I need to derive it. I need to derive it to what? To du dx. Du over dx. This is dx. Okay, And then it's going to be equals to minus 4 cos x cos of x times sine sine x. Okay, and then my dx it's going to be equals to du divide by minus 4 cos x cos x sine x sine x. This is my du. You can see that this is my du, which is minus 4 cos x times sine x, and then I substituted it here, and then I continue to dx again, dx is equals to du minus 2 cos x times sine x. And I close the bracket. Okay, you see here my du, I made -2 subject of the formula, and then 2, it multiplies everything inside the bracket. And then why did I make 2 subject of the formula? Because here we have 4, -4, and then -2 times 2, it's what? It will give me what? -4. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Integral of is equal to integral of 2 sine of cos sine x cos x divide by u, okay, divide by u times du divide by this one negative 2 du. It's this one you can see, which is negative 2 cos x sine x sine x. This is x sine x, okay? And then this one, let me use the other color. This one and this one, they cancel. Why? Because they are the same, and this one is positive, this one is negative, and then this one will subtract this one, and then I continue. I'm left with what? Hi, what's going on with this pen again? I'm left with a iterate is equals to negative half integral negative half integral of 1 over u du is equals to negative half your network gone in Let's move to our fourth example. What's wrong with my whiteboard? Number 4. Went it somewhere here. Number 4. It says the integral of cosec. I did this one somewhere here. Let me check something. No, it's just that they are similar. Okay. Let's go to our number 4. Number 4. This one is my number 4. It says what? The integral of cosec squared divide by one minus cot 1 minus cot x close bracket cube. We're supposed to write an open bracket. Okay, let's solve this one. We are going to let our denominator, it's going to be u, it's going to be our u. This one, let's say let this one it's u, and then let's make this one our u, right? Okay, let u be equals to 1 minus cot minus cot 1 minus cot x. Most everyone can see, Shaku, where did I take this u? The denominator is going to be my u, and then let's derive this. Let's derive this one. Ooh. Okay, no problem. This one's going to be my u. Then let's derive this u. Du is equals to we know that the identity of 1 minus cot, it's what? It's cosec squared. You need to know that the derivative of 1 minus cot, it's what? It's cosec squared. Okay, I hope we're still going together. Okay, and then my dx is going to be this one. Okay, let me shift this side. My dx, let me shift this side. My dx, it's this one, cosec squared. Let me change color. Let me change color. My dx is going to be what? I chose this one. It's going to be what? Dx is equals to dx is equals to du all over what? Cosec. Okay, are we still together? Cosec squared x. I hope we are still moving together. And then let's solve. I'm going to change color, which is going to be equals to integral of cosec x, integral of what? Cosec squared x. Cosec x what? Cosec squared x divide by u squared. Divide by what? U squared. And then with a variable time, it will say times here. You multiply by du all over cosec squared, which is this one, cos sec cosec squared. Okay, cosec squared x. Okay, let's move forward. Going to have equals to, we are still solving, equals to integral of half of 1 all over u squared u squared multiplied by dy. no du, sorry. And then we're still moving, we are not done. Our answer is going to be u negative negative 2 times du. You know that, like, if you are solving an equation like this one, we don't want it to be fraction. Automatically, this one will move to what? To the denominator. And then when it goes to the denominator, it changes what? It changes sign. That's why here it's what? It's negative 2. I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense. Since we are solving a integration is equals to negative 1 all over u plus c plus what? Plus c is equals to, this is my final answer, is equals to negative 1 all over u sorry, let me erase here. It's going to be negative 1 all over 1 minus cot x it is all over cot x plus what? Plus c. Yeah, this is our last question. This is our last question. We are done. Number 5. Okay, it says the integral of 1. This one, it's what do we call this one? Integration by parts, right? Call it integration by parts. And then root what? 3. This is 3 minus 2 minus 2x dx. Let me erase here. Okay, fix it. What? Dx. And then here it's what? It's 3 and then we solve it like this. It says integral of what? Integral of 1 over all over, oh, there's root here, sorry, there's root here, 1 over root 3x, root 3x, 3 I mean, minus 2x and then the x, sorry, and then we are going to substitute t. We are going to solve this one. Going to be 1 negative 2 excuse, negative 2 root t dt. I will explain to you where did I get this t. Hi. And then it's going to be equals to negative 1 over 2 times the integral of 1 over cube square root I mean of t dt. Okay, and then you're going to use integral of what? Use integral of 1 cube 1 square root of t dx dx is equals to 2. Okay, and then this is going to be our what? This is gonna be my final answer. Just negative 1 all over 2 all over 2 root what 3 minus 2x. Okay. We are going to end our today class here. These are 5 examples. I hope you take notes of this thing and then go and study using these notes. Bye.